I know how frustrating it can be to spend money on a kitchen gadget that just doesn't deliver. That's why I bought and tested these stand mixers so you don't have to waste your hard-earned cash. Today, I'm diving deep into the top 5 stand mixers that excel at making bread dough. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, I've got the insights you need. Product number 1, Kitchen-in-the-Box Stand Mixer Black. When I first unboxed the Kitchen-in-the-Box stand mixer, I was pleasantly surprised by its compact design. Weighing in at just under 7 pounds and measuring 12.9 x 7 x 10.2 inches, it's perfect for small kitchens like mine. I was eager to see if this lightweight mixer could handle bread dough, so I rolled up my sleeves and got started. The 3-2QT stainless steel bowl was just the right size for a small batch, and the tilt-head design made it easy to access without any fuss. I appreciated the anti-splash lid. It kept flour from flying everywhere, and we all know how messy that can get. With 6 speed settings, I found the lower speeds ideal for stirring in dry ingredients without a cloud of flour. As I ramped up to a higher speed for kneading, the 4 anti-slip suckers kept the mixer stable on my countertop, which is something I didn't expect from such a lightweight machine. The included attachments, dough hook, flat beater, and whisk, were easy to swap out and felt sturdy. I was impressed with how well the dough hook incorporated all the ingredients, creating a nice elastic dough without overworking it. However, I did notice that the motor struggled slightly with thicker doughs compared to some of the more powerful mixers on this list. Pros include its affordability, compact size, and ease of use, while the main con is the lower power compared to higher-end models. Still, for casual bakers or those new to the kitchen, this mixer offers excellent value. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still gets the job done, this Kitchen-in-the-Box stand mixer is a solid choice. Product number 2, Kitchen-in-the-Box Stand Mixer Blue. The Kitchen-in-the-Box stand mixer in blue caught my attention next. Similar in design and features to its black counterpart, this model also boasts a 3-2QT capacity and 6 speeds. I love the vibrant color, which added a touch of personality to my kitchen. Just like the black version, the mixer was lightweight, making it easy to handle. I decided to put it through the paces, and it performed admirably while mixing a batch of whole wheat bread dough. I found that the dough hook worked well to knead the dough, but it required a little more time than I would have liked. One of the standout features is the dishwasher-safe accessories, which made cleanup a breeze. The tilt-head design allowed me to easily check on my dough and add ingredients as needed. However, I noticed the same slight struggle with heavier doughs as the black model. The pros include its colorful design, lightweight nature, and solid performance for light to medium mixing tasks. The cons are similar. It may not be powerful enough for serious bakers. Overall, if you're looking for a fun, functional mixer for casual baking, this Kitchen-in-the-Box stand mixer in blue is a fantastic pick. Product number 3, Bosch Universal Plus Stand Mixer. Next up, I decided to test the Bosch Universal Plus Stand Mixer. Right away, I noticed its robust build and larger capacity of 6.5 quarts, allowing me to mix larger batches of dough without breaking a sweat. This mixer is a real powerhouse, boasting a 500-watt motor that easily kneaded a hefty batch of dough, enough for 14 loaves of bread. The dual beaters provided exceptional mixing, and the bottom drive feature allowed me to add ingredients without having to stop the mixer. However, I did find the size a bit cumbersome for smaller kitchens. The lightweight BPA-free bowl with a handle made it easier to manage, but it still took up quite a bit of space. The variety of optional attachments available was impressive. I could envision turning this mixer into a versatile kitchen machine capable of slicing, shredding, and even making pasta. The main downside was the price, which is significantly higher than the previous options. However, if you're serious about baking, the Bosch Universal Plus is definitely worth the investment. Its performance is unmatched and it's built to last, making it a fantastic choice for avid bakers. Product number 4, Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer Black. The Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer in black was next on my list, and right off the bat, I was impressed by its 300-watt motor. This model has a 4-quart capacity, which is a nice middle ground for those who might not need the larger Bosch model but still want something substantial. The planetary mixing action was a game changer, ensuring thorough mixing without any ingredients getting left behind. I whipped up a batch of cookie dough and the results were fantastic. The 7-speed settings provided excellent versatility, allowing me to start slow to prevent splatter when adding dry ingredients. The included splash guard was a thoughtful touch that helped keep my kitchen tidy. One feature I particularly loved was the easy carry top handle, which made lifting the mixer head a breeze. However, while it performed well, I did notice that it struggled slightly with heavier bread dough compared to the Bosch. The pros include affordability, a good balance of power and capacity, and a user-friendly design, while the cons are its limitations with very thick doughs. Overall, if you're looking for an affordable stand mixer that performs well for most baking tasks, the Hamilton Beach model is definitely worth considering. Product number 5, Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer Aqua. Finally, I tested the Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer in Aqua, and I have to say it's a stylish addition to any kitchen. Functionally, it mirrors the black model, boasting a 4-quart capacity and a powerful 300-watt motor. I was excited to see if the performance held up, and it did not disappoint. The 7-speed settings gave me the flexibility I needed, especially with that slow first speed to avoid messes. I found the splash guard and dishwasher-safe attachments to be very handy for easy cleanup. The only downside I found was that it might not be as powerful as the Bosch for extensive heavy-duty tasks. However, for general baking, this model excels. Its lightweight design, easy lift handle, and attractive color make it a great choice for bakers who want style and functionality without breaking the bank. If you're looking for a reliable mixer that looks good and performs well, the Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer in Aqua is a fantastic option. So there you have it. Each of these stand mixers has its strengths and weaknesses, catering to different baking needs. If you're just starting out or need something compact, the kitchen-in-the-box models are fantastic choices. For serious bakers, the Bosch Universal Plus is a powerhouse that can handle almost anything you throw at it. The Hamilton Beach models offer a great balance of performance and price. Ultimately, your choice depends on your baking frequency and the volume of dough you plan to make. Happy baking!